What's up, guys? Redstone Without Limits here, and we got an asterisk in our console. But anyway, we're here with another Python tutorial. This is the I don't know tutorial. So we're gonna get started. So there's something that's quite useful in Python, and it's called a list. If you've ever programmed in any other programming languages, I'm gonna say modern programming languages usually have a list function. So the way that you make a list is basically you have a variable. So you're going to have, I'm just going to call this list 0. That's usually the default for me. And then we're going to do equals and then 2 square brackets. So this will create an empty list. So if we try to print this list, we get just the curly brackets, or the square brackets, yeah. So to put something in this, basically you would define it again, and then you can put numbers in it, multiple numbers in it. So it's much better than just storing a variable, because you can just put a bunch of numbers in it and then call them back whenever you want. So if we did list 0, it would give us the numbers, but what if we wanted to call on just one specific number? The way you do that is you type in your list, and then you would put in bracket, and this would be the first one, because we start with 0 most of the time in programming. So it'll start out with the first one, and if we call this, it'll give us out 1. And if we call that, it'll give us out 4. So it's just showing you what position you're in. So another thing that's kind of cool is you can append stuff. So basically, do list, you do your list that you're using, and dot append, and then whatever you want to add to it. So say we want to add a 5 to the end of it. And if we do list 0, it added a 5 to the end. And say we wanted to insert something, so put it in the beginning. We do insert, and then an object. So first we'd give it the index that we want to go to. So we're going to go to 0, and then we want to put the object of 6 in. And if we do list, it will put a 6 right before the 1, so it'll just kind of slide it in there. There's a few different other functions. If we go to the help menu, which this is a great place to go if you just want something little, you know. So we can go to list. So yeah, you can pop, which would put in another number towards the front. Insert, we already talked about that. Index, so you know, you can do a bunch of really cool stuff with this. Extend, I'm guessing that would extend your list. Pretty self-explanatory. Append, we went on that. Clear, it would just remove everything. And it gives a simple description, but if you wanted more, then there is some great websites that you can go to and get help. So that's it for today. I will talk next about converting values, and I hope you're excited for that. But I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, then go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to be making videos. Why wouldn't you? But yeah, bye.